In this video guide, I will show with you how to open Canada Simplii bank of checking account. So go to this website, Simplii Financial. Scroll down. From here, you have no fee checking account. Click this one, and then when you click this one, you can add up to $300 as a gift cards. Just click apply now. When you click apply now, so guys, if you want to have a digital banking clients, click yes. If you know, just click no. And then from this option, friends, you have not fee checking accounts, and then click on this one next. From here, write your all details such your first names and last name and your preferred names, and then choose your date of birthday as you can see here. After that, friends, from here, write your primary phone numbers and then click next. For example, this is your primary phone numbers. After that, friends, when you write your phone numbers, all you have to do, write your phone numbers as I say. And then when you write your phone numbers, click next. This is the first step. Click next. After that, select your living states and your primary address. For example, New York State. This is your address. After that, write your next. Choose your years here. And then click next. After that, friends, you will see these steps. When you complete the steps, you should be at Simplii Financial Calling, or you can stylus or mouse from here with love autograph. Write your mouse just here, move your mouse here and click next. This is steps. The second step, the third step, guys, you should be upload your documentations such selfie or image, and then you can apply easily without any problem. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.